We are the future. We are the hope of bright tomorrow. We, the children of the world, the symbol of promise and potential. Happy Children's Day. First of all, I would like to say a very warm good morning to the principal sir, teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. We all are very glad and gathered here to celebrate the Children's Day on 14th November. 14th November is the birth anniversary of the great Indian freedom fighter and our first Prime Minister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was very much enthusiastic and warm-hearted towards the children, especially about their welfare, right and education in the society. He thought that children are the happiness of the society as well as the bright future of the society. As we all agree that children are the bright sunshine of the society, we never ignore them because they are blessed by the God. If we seek a mango tree for shade and fruit, first we plant a seed of mango tree, then water it at the right time. Similarly, if we want a developed nation or developed country, then we should give moral and importance to the children who create the bright future of the tomorrow and the developed country. Nehru found the strength of the country in the children and he loves and cares to the children. So, it is the reason that we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. Nehru never discriminated between boy and a girl. On his ideology, he emphasized on equality. His free time he spent with the children. So, children called him Chacha Nehru. If we really want to pay tribute to him, then we should give importance and moral to the child. For example, they should get proper love and care by the parents and their family members. They should get healthy food and healthy loving society. They should get proper education and good level of education. We have to stop the curbing child and child labor. At the conclusion of my speech, I tell that children are the valuable asset of the society or the developed nation. So, we give them our love and care. Lastly, I would like to say that बचपन पौधे की उस कली की तरह होता है. बचपन पौधे की उस कली की तरह होता है जो मजबूत ना हो जड़ तो सूख कर टूट जाया करती है. Thank you all. Have a nice day. I again wish you a happy Children's Day. Smile please.